friends, welcome to Rodrigo's Kitchen. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a la cocina de Rodrigo. I just saw on Pinterest this recipe for a cauliflower mash. Vi en Pinterest una receta para un puré de coliflor. So I thought of like, why not? I'm gonna try it. I've never made it. I don't have all the ingredients that they named. No tengo todos los ingredientes que ellos nombraron ahí, pero I'm gonna use, I don't know, half of the cauliflower. Voy a tratar con la mitad de esta coliflor. A little bit of bacon, applewood, smoke flavor, I have no idea. Voy a hacer un poquito de este tocino. For the mash, I'm gonna use, para el puré, onion, voy a añadir cebolla. And the recipe had cream cheese, which I don't have. So I'm gonna use a little bit of brie, voy a usar un poco de queso brie, and some plain yogurt, y un poquito de yogur espeso, sin sabor. Then I'm also gonna make in the oven 2 tomatoes, small tomatoes, and 2 sticks of mozzarella, 2 palitos de mozzarella. I'm gonna make tomato with cheese on top, and I'm gonna just put it on the oven. 3 chicken breasts. Tengo 3 pechugas de pollo. Still not sure if I'm gonna use them all for this dish, probably not. Some for a soup and like 2 for this dish, or half and half. Quizá voy a usar la mitad para este plato y la otra mitad la voy a dejar para una sopa. Start with the cauliflower. Vamos a partir con la coliflor. For those that also have Instagram, para los que tienen Instagram, también tengo una cuenta ahí en Instagram. And I started posting on Instagram TV my videos. Y empecé a postear mis videos en Instagram TV. The link to the account is on the main site on YouTube. La cocina de Rodrigo. So, yeah, mientras más chicos los pedazos se cocinan más rápido. Let's see. Put this to boil. Vamos a cortar la cebolla. Because it's gonna go in the blender. No importa cómo cortemos esto porque va a ir en la juguera. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. The rest, I'm gonna probably use it. Not probably, I'm gonna use it in the soup. Cauliflower is already cooked. This much. This much. Un poco de sal, some salt, some pepper, un poco de ajo, some garlic powder, ¿cómo se llama esto? Una línea de ajo. Still not the texture I want, but todavía no es la textura que quiero, pero I think it's the best I can get. Creo que es lo mejor que puedo obtener en este momento. 2 slices of bacon. Vamos a hacer acá 2 pedazos de tocino. And the chicken. Y el pollo. Un poco de aceite, little bit. That's it. And 4. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic and scallions. Vamos a añadir un poquitito de ajo y cebollín. To see how the chicken is doing and the bacon is cooking pretty good. Salt on the chicken, un poco de sal al pollo. Little bit of roasted garlic and pepper. This is the mash. As you can see, it's not very mushy. This would be amazing for a crema. I'm gonna make this next time. Esto sería súper bueno para hacer una crema. Just to say again that the consistency of the mash is not really mashy. La consistencia del puré no es tan purulenta, salió un poco más líquida. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make a soup with it, but I also put it here. So here's the dish. This is how it turned out. This is the mash. This is the bacon, the chicken that got a little bit stir fried with the bacon oil, and the tomato with the cheese. So the chicken got super crispy, which is what I wanted. It's pretty good. So some chicken with the potato thing, I mean cauliflower thing, un poco de pollo con la coliflor thing. It's very good. I really recommend this. Les recomiendo que lo traten, que lo prueben. The tomato with the cheese, el tomate con el queso también. It's a really good snack. Es un snack muy fácil de hacer, rápido. If this video gets to 1,000 likes, nah, I don't do that. It was a joke, so I'm not even gonna translate. Okay, friends, I hope you like the video. Ojalá que les guste el video. See you.